senses five, every day they come alive. I can touch with my two hands, feel the water, feel the sand. I can smell the flowers near, sniff the scents, they're so clear. I can use my senses five, every day they come alive. I can taste with tongue so sweet, yummy fruits and tasty treats. I can see, I can hear, touch and smell what's far and near. I can use my senses five, every day they come alive. See and hear, touch and smell, taste the things I know so well. Using senses is so fun for everyone and anyone.